Hi, it's Mr. Fletcher here. Today we're going to be learning about multiplying with decimals. There's two versions of this video, and the first one, this one is going to be about using the Chinese lattice method. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through this card. I'm going to give an example for the 1 star, the 2 star and the 3 star examples, and then you can do the rest of the card, and I might have given it to you on a piece of paper. Okay, so for the 1 star question then. So first thing we're going to do is write down the question. So the question is going to be 1.5 times 6. So that's question 1 in the 1 star question list. Now the first rule of multiplying with decimals is take out the decimal point. So that then just becomes 15 times 6. Okay. So then we need to do our Chinese lattice. So I'm going to draw the boxes for the Chinese lattice. There we go. And when we do the diagonals for the Chinese lattice, it's very important that we go corner to corner, a little bit hanging out the end, corner to corner, a little bit hanging out the end. So the question is going to be 15 times 6. So then we multiply into the boxes. So 5 times 6 is 30. 6 times 1 is 6. Okay, so then we need to add up down the diagonals for Chinese lattice, so that's going to add up to 0. 3 and 6 is 9, that's just going to add up to 0. So we know that the answer digits are going to be 9 and a 0. So then we go back to the question and we say we're going to underline all the digits in the question that are decimals, so that's just that one, that's a 5. And the rule is there's always the same number of decimals in the answer as there were in the question. So we're going to do 1 underline and the decimal point is there. Okay, so that's the first example. So then for 2 star questions, we're going to do 1.5 times 2.5. Okay, so remember the first rule of multiplying with decimals is that we take the decimal point out. So we're going to do 15 times 25. And we need a few more boxes for this one. So here we go. Nice and big so it all fits in and we're not all cramped up. So we need 2 boxes by 2 boxes for a 2-digit times 2-digit number. Put the diagonals in corner to corner, sticking out the end, corner to corner to corner, sticking out the end, corner to corner, sticking out the end. Put the question in then, so 15 times 25. Multiply into the boxes, so 5 times 2 is 10, 1 times 2 is 2, 5 times 5 is 25, 1 times 5 is 0 and 5, so just 5. Add up down the diagonals, so that just adds up to 5, that's going to add up to 7, that's going to add up to 3. So we know that the digits in the answer are going to be 37 and a 5, so 375. Go back to the question, underline all the digits that are decimal digits. There's 2 of them there. There's going to be the same number of decimal digits in the answer, so underline those, put the decimal point in, and we're done. Right then, example for the 3 star. 1, 2, 3. So the question for this one is 12.5 times 2.3. So take out the decimal points, 125 times 23. Right, we're going to need loads of boxes for this. Okay. Right, corner to corner, corner to corner, corner, corner to corner, to corner, corner to corner. Okay. So write the question in 125 times 23. Multiply into the boxes. 5 times 2 is 10, 2 times 2 is 4, 1 times 2 is 2, 5 times 3 is 15, 2 times 3 is 6, 1 times 3 is 3. Add up down the diagonal, that adds up to 5, that adds up to 7, 1 and 4 is 5, add a 3 is 8, and the 2 is just the 2. Okay, so we know that the digits in the answer going to be 2875. Okay, back to the question then. How many decimal digits were there? Underline them. There's 2 of them. We know there must have been 2 in the answer. Put the decimal point in, and we're done. Right. So now it's your turn to have a go at the question card. So have a go at the question card. If I've given it to you on paper, that's amazing. Remember to share your workings. Look forward to seeing it.